Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon butter. First, gather your ingredients. About 8 ounces of fresh salmon, 4 ounces of unsalted butter, and fresh herbs such as dill or chives. Make sure your salmon is completely skinless and boneless. You'll also need a food processor or a good blender to achieve the right consistency. This simple recipe is perfect for a delicious spread. Next, gently cook your salmon. You can poach it in a little water or bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it flakes easily, reaching an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, let it cool slightly. Then, in your food processor, combine the flaked salmon with the softened unsalted butter, along with your chosen herbs and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, blend the mixture until it's smooth and creamy, resembling a rich spread. You might need to scrape down the sides of the processor a few times. Taste the salmon butter and adjust the seasonings as needed. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can brighten the flavor. For best results, chill it for at least 1 hour before serving. Salmon butter is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it spread on crusty bread, crackers, or as a flavorful accompaniment to roasted vegetables. It's also fantastic with bagels for a gourmet breakfast. Properly stored in an airtight container, it will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.